Introducing the Wyzeland Secure 360 4G, a breakthrough in automotive security. This innovative system utilizes dashcam features while you're driving and activates advanced security sensors when parked. With an amazing single lens, Secure 360 produces a true 360-degree field of view, capturing everything going on inside and outside your vehicle. So here's how it works. Secure 360 actively scans the perimeter of your vehicle using a suite of advanced low-power sensors. When motion or impact is detected, the camera will immediately record video to the micro SD card. High-speed 4G data delivers real-time alerts and live streaming through the Secure 360 mobile app, so you'll see the full story as it unfolds. Automatic uploading of the event video to the cloud keeps evidence secure, even if the camera is stolen or disabled. The Secure 360 is designed for any vehicle and every driver, from the daily commuter, rideshare services, or families with young drivers. With the Secure 360, you can document an accident, locate your car quickly with a GPS map, preserve your driving record, or catch a thief in the act. So even if this happens, you'll have evidence to provide authorities and your insurance company. Protect your vehicle with the Wyzeland Secure 360.
This weekend outing is what I've been looking forward to this whole week. The flat tire could have ruined this whole thing, but luckily, I've got a Norsher portable air compressor. It is easy to store and can be placed anywhere in the car. The strong motor of up to 30,000 rounds per minute and the high-pressure propulsion system of 10 bars allow it to inflate tires of sedans, SUVs, and even trucks. Norsher features a self-illuminating dot mattress, OLED display with capacitive touch. This smart device monitors the tire pressure real-time and stops automatically when it reaches the preset value. When the batteries run out, it also can be powered directly from a 12-volt power supply, such as the cigarette lighter socket. Norsher also has more uses. When it comes to inflating a bicycle, Norsher also makes everything easy and reliable. Want to inflate your basketball? Norsher can inflate your basketball fast and full and will allow you to more focus on sports. Enjoy the quiet lake and inflate the kayak with Norsher. This will make you feel relaxed. It's that simple. With a Norsher portable air pump, you don't have to worry about the various devices being affected by the lack of air. Norsher, one kit for every car owner.
Introducing RoboChi Alexa, a smart car charger with Amazon Alexa built in that makes your car smart. Just mount and plug in RoboChi Alexa in your car. Open RoboChi Alexa app, connect via Bluetooth or FM with the RoboChi Alexa app, and you're ready to go. That can work in any car. Alexa, take me to the nearest gas station.
Okay, getting directions.
Just ask Alexa and you can enjoy your favorite music on the road. Alexa, play my favorite playlist.
Getting the last iHeartRadio station you listened to.
With built-in noise-canceling technology that ensures your voice quality. RoboChi Alexa is a snap-and-go 10 watts Qi wireless smart charger with a unique sensor that makes it easy for charging your phone. Using the RoboChi Alexa smart car mount, you have all the power of Alexa everywhere you go.
Car washing was a big trouble for many people. It is time-consuming, labor-consuming, and it cost money. Actually, that is not true once you have Norsher at hand. Norsher may be the world's first smart multifunctional car washing kit, making car washing easy, fast, and free of charge. The water source could be directly from a water bottle or external sources such as our foldable water bucket. It takes only 15 seconds to set up and 10 minutes to complete the car washing, saving 80% of the time. The cleaning process is neat and easy without making a mess. Norsher is very compact in size, but can be kept in the trunk for everyday use. No matter how wild your trip is, your car will always remain tidy. Norsher requires no external power. Get fully charged within 3 hours through USB charging port. Norsher could serve as a portable jump starter. It's also a power bank for your outdoor usage. It can also be used as a warning sign. Norsher has 3 preset modes for various situations. You can easily switch from the water spray gun to spray brush. Not just for the car washing. It's a multifunctional must-have kit for every car owners. With Norsher, you can save those money for an exotic trip that you well deserved. Norsher, one kit for every car owner.
This head-up display is the smarter way to use your phone behind the wheel. HUDLEY Wireless lets you navigate, talk, and text without looking down at your phone. Used for decades by fighter jets to safely navigate the skies, HUDLEY is now bringing this futuristic tech to your car. Fumble with your phone while driving? HUDLEY is for you. Reduce distractions and chances for an accident with vital driving info directly in your line of sight. Customize your drive by casting any app onto the clear display that doesn't block the road. Directions float on the road, guiding you to your destination. Enjoy crisp image quality in all lighting conditions. Keep your eyes on the road and drive with 100% confidence. HUDLEY is the proven solution for stress-free, safer driving.